Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. I have been asking Colourpop to do this collab for like almost a year now, and it's finally coming to life. I am so excited. So today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop and Animal Crossing collection. I have the collection right here. I'm just so excited. You guys don't even understand. I love Animal Crossing so much. I'm sure for most of us, Animal Crossing got us through last year, at least for a couple months, because seriously, when we all just collectively played Animal Crossing together, I had so many of you guys come to like my island. I went to your guys' island, and it was just such a fun time. And for like those first couple months when like we just solely did nothing else but play Animal Crossing, was such a nice time. I stopped playing for a little bit after kind of everything happened. I've been playing again, and it just makes me so happy. So I love my villagers, and they never left me even after not playing for a little bit, waiting for the day that this finally happened, and it's finally here. I'm gonna give you guys some info about the collection because I know you guys want info. If you guys are new here, we'll be doing swatches, you guys my review, tutorial, all that good stuff. The collection is launching a week from now, January 28th at 10 a.m. PST on the Colourpop website. This will also be coming to Ulta on Valentine's Day, so February 14th. Almost positive that this collection is gonna sell out almost instantly. So if you guys want anything, make sure to be on the website early. I don't believe any codes will work on this collection, but if it does, who knows? But I'll leave my code down below if you guys want to use it. It's just Katrina. I honestly doubt that it'll work on there, but you know, it doesn't hurt to try. Let's get into the collection. I'm so excited. Look at how cute the little card is that they sent with all like the info. It's so cute. I don't have pricing or anything yet. They have not listed pricing on anything yet, so I'm not sure. Whenever I do find out the prices of everything, I will leave them down below immediately whenever I find out. So the first thing that we have are the little palettes, and I believe you can buy them individually or in a set like this. The little set is called the True Friends little mini eyeshadow set. So these eyeshadow palettes are mini size, and they are mini. I didn't realize that they were mini until I got them in the mail. By the way, Colourpop did send this to me. I'm sure you guys know, but they did send this to me. I'll just show you guys really quick. Obviously, this is in the collection, but this is a blush. So this is how big the eyeshadow palettes are. So they're a little bit smaller than the pressed powder blushes. Just for size reference, if you guys were wondering, because I didn't realize how small they were until I opened up the box. I have 4 palettes in the collection. So the first one we have is Nook Ink. And I also want to mention too that if you buy the palettes individually, I believe the unit carton has like each character on them. When you buy them in the set has like the characters all over the little box that they just like slide in and out of like that. But yeah, like the actual like unit carton, like everything else, I believe that they have each character on the front, because I saw somebody else's swatches and they had like the little box like that. The first one we have is Nook Ink, and this one has Tom Nook on the front of it. And this one is the green little palette. Like I said, I'll put close-ups and swatches on the screen. And the next one we have is What a Hoot, and this one has Blathers and Celeste on it. And this one is like more of a like brown warm tone palette. I did swatch these two next to each other since they were smaller. I just wanted to swatch them together. Anyway, there is 1 pressed glitter in each palette. I thought I would let you guys know that because I know a lot of you guys don't like the pressed glitters. Next we have 5 Star Island, which has Isabella on it. And this is the pink palette. Super cute. I love Isabel, so I was so happy to see her on like the little pink one. And then lastly we have LaBelle of the Ball, and on this one it has LaBelle, Mabel, and Sable on it. So I love the packaging on this one. I love the 3 sisters, so this one made me super happy, and I was so happy that it was the lavender one. When I saw that there was a lavender one, I got so excited. So those are the little palettes in the collection. Product I'm so excited for. This is the little Just a Tint duos. You guys know how much I love the Just a Tint. So the first one we have is Fruit Roots, and we have Peach Surprise and Orange Cutie in this one. And we have Fruit Basket, and we have Juicy Apple and Cherry Cherry in this one. The last one is Pick of the Bunch, and this one has Coconut Juice and Incomparable in this one. Little lippy stick is a different fruit from Animal Crossing, and each one is scented as its assigned fruit, so that made me super happy. I love that little extra touch. So coconut juice is coconut, and comparable is pear, juicy apple, apple cherry. You guys get it. Mini Just a Tint, so they're not like the full-size ones. So again, I don't know how much these ones will be, but we have seen little mini just the tint sets before, so I'm not sure if they'll be like the same or around the same price as those. Next, we have two pressed powder blushes. We have Flower Power and Flower Tender. Flower Power is like a mauve cool tone pink blush, and then Flower Tender is like a pinky corally kind of blush. The only thing is that both of these blushes are more on the lighter side, so if you are anyone deeper than like medium tan, I think that these will both be too light. Wish that they had a blush for deeper skin tones in this collection. I was really sad to not see a deeper blush in here. Those are the two pressed powder blushes. And lastly, we have a Super Shock shadow and a Glitterly Obsessed. The Super Shock is Balloon Pop, and it is in the little gift box that you guys see with the balloons. That made me so happy. I love the packaging of this, even though it's such like a small thing. I love the packaging. Little Super Shock shadow has a leaf on the little window, it says Animal Crossing and Colourpop on it, and this is like a really pretty rose gold pinky Super Shock. It's a really pretty color. The Glitterly Obsessed is called Billionaire, and it has a little bell bag on here. Super cute, and the actual Glitterly Obsessed itself has the little star on the front. I've definitely seen Glitterly Obsessed like this from Colourpop before, but yeah, I mean, it just makes sense to have it gold, so I'm not too mad at it. That's everything in this collection. I am so excited about it, and I hope you guys are as well. I'll leave all the info and everything that I know about the collection down below, and I will update it as soon as I find out pricing, because I know a lot of you guys are waiting for the prices, just so you know, like, what to save if you guys want to pick up anything in the collection. I'm trying to get this up as early as possible for you guys so you guys can see swatches and just really decide what or if you want to pick anything up. This will be launching, like I said, a week from today, which will be January 28th at 10 a.m. PST. Anyways, before we get into the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I would love to have you here. I'm super close to 50K, so if you guys love Colourpop videos, make sure to subscribe because I'm always coming at you with the Colourpop videos. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the palettes, and I already have my eyes primed. Since there are 4 palettes, I'm not gonna use all 4 of them, but I'm gonna use 2 of them. I'm gonna use the purple and the green one. So I'm using La Belle the Ball and Nook Ink, which I'm really excited for. I'm gonna start off with the purple one. I'm gonna do it on the side. Take Taylor's Ticket, which is the lighter purple. I'm just gonna use that as my transition and probably just my crease color. So I'm gonna just build that up as much as possible. You guys know I had to use this one. Like, are you serious? When I saw that there was a little lavender one, I was so excited because you guys know I love lavender. Is my favorite color, obviously. Packing that on and then blending it out. That way I can get the most pigmentation. It does have a little bit of glitter in it, but I don't really mind. Blend out the ones with like glitter in them. The glitter kind of just falls right out, so if you don't care for glitter in your crease, you can just kind of blend it away. Go into Serene Sable. This one's like a grape color, kind of. I'm gonna put this along my lash line and a little bit into my outer corner. With whatever's left, I probably just will bring that into the crease. The color's really pigmented, so I'm trying to just like take a little bit at a time. Back with Taylor's Ticket to blend the edges of that out to the crease a little bit with whatever's left on my brush. Take Custom Design, such a cute name. I'm just gonna put that on. Ooh, that's really pretty. I'm gonna put that on my lid. It's one of those like shadows where it like kind of shifts to green a little bit. You can definitely just leave it at this. I'm gonna take the pressed glitter and put that on top of it a little bit. But you don't have to use the pressed glitter. But then again, I mean, there's only 4 eyeshadows in here, so I wanted to use all of them. So I'm just pressing that on. And the pressed glitters technically aren't eye safe, so if you don't want to use the pressed glitter on your eye, don't. I'm just using it because it's in the palette. So for this eye, I'm gonna go in with Nook Ink. Do like the same thing on this eye, but green. So I'm gonna start off with Made in the Shade. That is so cute. And again, this is one of those mattes with glitter in them. I think the greens in here are like such pretty shades of green. I really like this one a lot. I'm gonna go into Water Landing, which is that like pretty like bluish green color. And I'm just putting that on the outer corner. Same thing pretty much that I did on this side. Just building that color up. I feel like you can definitely build this dark green up, but I'm trying to keep it light since the lavender on this side is light, so I don't want to do like something really dark and harsh and then something like light and pastel on this side. So I'm trying to just take this shade lightly. Take Yes Yes. The names in here are so cute. It's the shimmery shade. That color is so pretty. I knew I was gonna like it. Even when I swatched it, I was like, that color is super pretty. And I'm just gonna blend the edge of that out. And I'm gonna take the pressed glitter. Again, you don't have to. I'm just trying to use all the shades in the palette. And I'm just stamping that on. I only take a little bit. I never really take like a lot of the pressed glitter. I'm gonna do my base really quick and then we'll finish up with the rest of the products. Okay, so I went ahead and just put on my foundation and did my bronzer and stuff. So I'm gonna take the blush. I'm gonna take the more like pinky corally one. This one is Flower Tender. Super pretty. These are like definitely my type of blushes. So this one does seem like, from when I was watching it, a little pigmented. So I just wanted to kind of take it lightly. Really like this blush. I only see this being like a blush that I use a lot. I love this color. Okay, I just went ahead and baked the sides of my nose and under my contour. So we're just going to finish up the lower lash line real quick. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just going to take the shades that I used on the top. So I'm going in with the green one. And I'm just taking Made in the Shade. I'm going to take Water Landing, like kind of on the outer part, just like on the top. I'm just going to do that same thing with the La Belle of the Ball one, taking the lighter lavender color. And then taking Serene Sable on the outer part. So cute. I love this eye look. It's so pretty. Probably not going to use the Glitterly Obsessed just because I feel like it's not going to go with anything in this look right now. And then the Super Shock, I didn't have a chance to use it, but they're both really pretty. I'm gonna go put on my lashes really quick and then we'll finish up with the lip products, which I'm so excited for, so I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes are still drying a little bit, so if you see glue, just ignore it. But okay, we're gonna move on to lips, and you guys know how much I love the Just a Tints. So when I saw that they were coming out with little sets for this collection, I was so excited. So I'm gonna be using the Fruit Basket little duo. I think I'm gonna take Juicy Apple maybe. By the way, these are like scented like the fruits and it's so exciting. Yeah, I'm gonna take Juicy Apple because I think that one would probably go better with this look. So, and this one, like I said, smells like apple. This one's real pink. Let me see, maybe if I add a little bit of Cherry Cherry, or that'd be too red. Oh, it smells so good. I feel like that's so pink. I'm gonna take the Fruit Roots one and I'm gonna take Peach Surprise. It's like the nude one. I kind of want to like tone it down a little bit. I feel like it looks so pink. Okay, you know what? Peach Surprise doesn't look that bad. I was kind of going for like more of a pinky look, but I like this one. And this one smells like peach. Which was actually, I think, yeah, peach was my fruit that I had first on my island. So I should have just gone with my origin fruit. That is the lippies. And if you guys have tried the Just a Tints before, they feel just like that. They're amazing. They're like my favorite lip product from Colourpop. So this is the finished look and I love this look. I love how it came out. I'm doing purple and green together. It's like one of my favorite color combos and I love it. Let me give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. Definitely say that this collection is solely for the collector. If you're just looking at this from above as just like a normal consumer, it's a cute collection. I feel like mostly the people that will be buying this are just like collectors, because I definitely have seen colors like this before from Colourpop and the packaging's really cute and everything, but it's not anything super crazy, you know? I really like the two palettes that I use. The other two are okay in my opinion. They're like whatever. If you're gonna pick any up, I would pick these two up. They're the cutest ones and I really like the colors in them. If you're only gonna pick up one, I would say probably pick up the green one, just because I really like the colors in this one, of that like darker green color that's in there. If you buy them individually with the little characters on the front, buy them in a set like this, it doesn't have the individual packaging for each palette. And when you buy them individually, it has like the character on the front. So the green one would have Tom Nook. And the little set is really cute because the little box unicarton thing has all the characters on it as well. So I mean, both are cute, it doesn't really matter. So the blushes, I do like the one that I used, Flower Tender. Yeah, I really like this blush. It's definitely like gonna be one of my go-to blushes. It's such a pretty shade of like pink, but also a little bit of like warmth and a little bit of like coraliness to it. And I definitely think this is like probably going to be a favorite of both of the blushes. The Flower Power one is cute as well. I just don't know how often I would reach for a blush like this. It's more of like that mauve-y, cool toned pink type of blush, which I usually never reach for. But the packaging's still really cute on it. The only thing I wish is that there was a deeper blush for deeper skin tones. But there's not. So that's the only downside of the collection. There is no blush for deeper skin tones. If you're gonna pick up anything in the collection, the Just a Tint little duos are so cute. I love that each lip tint is scented to its specific fruit. So coconut, pear, juicy apple, cherry, peach, orange. Like, I just love that little extra touch, and the packaging on them is really cute. Just like the little trees on them. The trees were like one of my favorite part of my island, so I think that's why I really like the design on this one. Different villagers on the packaging as well. If you're gonna pick up anything in the entire collection, I definitely would pick up the lip tint duos. And lastly, the Super Shock Shadow and the Glitterly Obsessed. Even though I didn't use the Super Shock Shadow, I would say pick up Little Super Shock, because even from when I saw their like little sneak peek on Instagram, this was like the first thing that caught my eye. I don't know why, but I just think it's so cute that it's the little gift box from the balloon. I think if you had like a little Animal Crossing display or something, or just wanted to put on display, you would know exactly what it is right away. It is so cute. I love it. And even though it's like such a small thing, I don't know why, like I said, like it stuck out to me the most when I saw the sneak peeks, but I love the Super Shock, and I like to collect the Super Shocks anyway. I like to have all of the like special ones that have like something on the window, and I just like that it has a little leaf and it's really cute. Definitely would say if you're gonna pick up anything in the collection as well, this is super cute, and this one definitely like stands out to me. I think because it's something from the game, whereas like the palettes, like it has the character and stuff, and yeah, it's cute, but like this is like something literally from the game, and it's just, it makes me happy. So the little Billionaire Glitterly Obsessed, it's cute. It has the bells on it. So again, that is something that is specifically like out of the game, which I really like. I use the Glitterly Obsessed very often, but even like if I were to pick anything up, I still would pick this up because I really like the little bell bag on it. It's super cute. Me being like an Animal Crossing lover, I love the collection just because it makes me super happy. Anything Animal Crossing makes me happy, honestly. Like just seeing it when I play it, it brings me a lot of joy. So seeing the collection makes me super happy. So anyways, that is everything in this collection. Leave me a comment down below if you're gonna pick up anything from this collection. Are you gonna pick up everything, or are you just gonna pick up a few things? Like I said, I definitely gave you guys my recommendations of what you guys should pick up if you were to pick up anything at all. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you if you were debating on picking anything up. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.